Well, hi guys, this is another video of picking the Master 03, and it's a bit of a fun video for kind Daz there on the DBC Locksmith forum, who has nicknamed me Bond, because normally when I'm picking I have a suit on, and you'll see the slight twist to this in a second. So I've picked the lock. Lock picked, as Bond would do. Let's pop that there. Bob a match in, and this is a 200 milliwatt laser pointer. As you can see there, great beam. Light the match, as Bond would do. Like I say, a bit of fun. Thanks for watching. Happy picking, and unfortunately you can't buy one of these from DBC Locksmiths. But any lock picking equipment you acquire, please visit www.dbclocksmith.co.uk and get on the forum. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please again keep it legal.